So to install apps on your Sony Smart TV, the first thing you need to do is make sure your TV is connected to the internet. And then from the home screen, you want to make sure you scroll sideways and select apps. And then once apps is highlighted, you can scroll down and you should see this search bar or this search function. Select it and then type the name of the app you want to install. So for instance, if I want to install Daily Motion app, I'll just type the name of that app and then go down to the bottom right corner and select the search function. And then it's gonna
for Daily Motion.
It's gonna search for the app. And from the results, select the app you want to install. And then it's gonna open in its own page where you can see some information, some screenshots, and even reviews. But at the top there, you will see the option install. Okay, should be the first option there. So tap on, or rather select install, and allow the app to be downloaded and installed on your TV. Once it's done, you can simply launch it from there. And there you go. We have that app installed. Now you can access this app at any time from the home screen. So anytime you're on the home screen, you should be able to access that application. Actually, not on the home screen, but on the app screen. So on the app screen, you should see a list of all your apps. So you just scroll across and you should see that app and you can access it from there at any time. Thanks for watching and good luck.